Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. New week, new opportunities. Looking forward to the week ahead and just implementing the mental model I have put in place. So, same thing support, resistance lines, trend line breaks, and I drew out a couple of resistance and support lines. I have YM pulled up, but today I believe I'll be focusing on NASDAQ and Q. So what I have here is a resistance at about 21,788. My bias is sells today. If we zoom out to the higher time frame, as you can see, we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So personally, I would like to see buys above this 21,788. But if we do take a look at sells, we have a trend line break right here. And I'll be looking at sells below 21,737. But I just want to see how price reacts right at market open if we're going to take a counter trend line. But if we do, we'll aim to about right here at 21,695. So that's what we have for today. We're hoping to just start the week on a green note. And that's that. So just to go over my mental model as far as risk management and how I manage my balance. So it's 1 to 2 trades a day. If my first win is a win, I call it a day. If my first trade is, if my first trade is a loss and I manage risk well, then I'll take a second trade. But if I lose twice, I'll call it a day. So resistance at 21,788 and support at 21,747, and we'll look for breaks. Just to reiterate, you see this. So just to reiterate my mental model as far as risk management, first trade, if it is a win, I will call it a day. I'll take my profits as I don't want to take that or bring those profits back into the market. If I take a loss and I manage my risk well, I'll give a trade a second chance, or I'll take 2 trades for the day. If I take 2 trades and both of them are losses, then I will just let the market refresh a little bit and come back tomorrow morning, as you never want to take more than 2 trades in a given moment. So we have a nice tight stop loss here. We'll see what happens right at market open. We've got 15 seconds. Market is open. Looks like there is a bit of a push up. Looks like YM is dipping, NASDAQ's dipping. Give us a push, NASDAQ. I really want to take those buys. Those buys look good for about 40 points. Let's take a look at YM. Ooh, this is looking good for buys actually. So we're gonna go for buys on YM.
Order filled.
Nice little push on YM. I do like this look. So first trade of the day, or buys YM. We'll be focusing on this position right here. Give us a good push. NQ's kind of falling. Just give us a good push, YM. Come on. What is NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ's just going down. So my stop loss is somewhere around this area right here. Looks like
Order filled.
we got stopped out. That's a terrible fake out. I hate that. Not gonna take that counter trend trade. The only second trade I'll take is buys on YM again if we do decide to push up once again. Yeah, both NASDAQ and YM, I'm just looking for buys. Wow, look at YM is pushing down. Great. So we'll stay patient for a second trade. Looks like YM is falling. It's crazy fake out. Personally, I like buys on NASDAQ right here. So if we can get a good push above this resistance, I will take buys. Yeah, buys should play out real well on NASDAQ, just waiting. While YM is freaking dumping. That's crazy. YM's still dumping, that's wild. So we'll stay patient on a NASDAQ trade. I think it does have to break out of this zone right here. Look at that. Push down 100 points. Wow. Still pushing down YM. That's crazy. Need some bullish momentum here. I'm okay with that loss with YM though. I mean, it was heading to the upside. It had an upward trend, but it just decided to break a trend line. So I'm okay with that. All right, we're preparing for buys here on NASDAQ for our second trade of the day. We just want a good push above this resistance. YM is still freaking melting. That's crazy. That's a 1 to 2.5. Trend line break. YM. Freaking wow. See? Upward trend, broke the trend line, and dove off. That's crazy. Just staying patient here. Like I said, pre-market, I do have a buy bias, so I will be taking this trade if we break above 21,789. Just give us a strong push up. All right, we're gonna try buys right here. That was a good push up. Second trade of the day. We'll see what happens. We saw a break of resistance, 21,789. Just give us a strong push, NASDAQ. That's a good push right there. So we did see a break of 21,787, hoping for the continuation on the way up on this NASDAQ trade. We'll place stops to break even at about 25 points. I do like this wick down and continuation up on the 5-minute time frame. That gives me more confidence that we will continue this breakout to the upside. If we can have some more bullish volume here, we have so much clean range on the left-hand side. I mean, clean range until about 21,937. Come on, NASDAQ, just give us a push. You already closed above resistance right here. We need that follow-up volume. If this fakes out, that would be truly upsetting. It's really trying to hold right here. I will truly be upset if this fakes out. The 5-minute closed above 21,789. Clean range to the left hand side, higher highs, higher lows. Wow.
Order filled.
Yep, that's that. That was really upsetting, actually. So that's my 2 trades for today. Unfortunately, they were both losses. It looks like the trade was this. Let me just journal this trade right here. Strong bullish uptrend. It broke out right here. Pushed up. Fake out. Trend line break right there. Continuation down. Is YM. All right, well, I'm done for the day. Thank you again for joining. 2 losses for the day. We'll get it back tomorrow. I'm happy with both of my trades that I took, but unfortunately, that's how trading works. Sometimes it doesn't work.